blood pressure. Term providers help thousands of people like you who think they can't afford term life insurance. To buy $1 million of affordable term life for you, all you need to do is call Big Lou at 800-777-1979. Lou will make sure the scales are tipped in your favor. Call 800-777-1979. Big Lou will answer your call and work to fit you into a term life policy that you can afford. Remember, Big Lou's like you. He's on meds too. Call 800-777-1979. 800-777-1979.
For the best in fall savings, Envision Toyota of Milpitas is the right decision. Now during their fall savings event, you can get as low as 2.49% APR financing for 48 months on select new 2022 and 2023 Toyotas, including some of our top models. Or get 3.99% APR financing on pre-owned certified Toyotas. Shop online anytime at EnvisionToyotaofMilpitas.com or in person with the 880 freeway in the Great Wall Parkway meet. Call 855-973-2594 for details. Honda of Milpitas, kicking off our fall savings event with a special lease for a 2022 Civic Sport Sedan for only $229 per month for 36 months. Or choose 1.9% financing for 48 months on a new 2022 Honda Passport or Pilot. Your choice. Make the right decision with Envision Honda of Milpitas. Call 855-996-2274 for details.
Did you know most Dansko shoes are approved by the American Podiatric Medical Association? This means Dansko shoes are beneficial to overall foot health. Dansko shoes are designed with premium comfort and style in mind. Available now at the Walk Shop in Berkeley. This season, Dansko offers new styles from sporty sneakers to fashionable Mary Janes, stylish demi boots, and of course, the classic clog. Come discover Danskos for both men and women at the Walk Shop, 2120 Vine Street in Berkeley. KCBS News Time 1:11. If Elon Musk does end up taking over Twitter, he apparently plans to lay off 3/4 of its workforce. That, according to the Washington Post, which cites documents Musk provided to potential investors. Even if the deal doesn't go through, Twitter could still be seeing a large number of layoffs. Corporate documents show the company's current management had to come up with plans to cut payroll by $800 million by the end of next year, which could mean laying off nearly 1/4 of its workforce. Musk's deal to take over the company is expected to close by next Friday. A previous lawsuit filed by the district attorneys of Los Angeles and San Francisco alleging fraudulent ADA lawsuits was dismissed earlier this summer. But KCBS's Margie Schaefer reports San Francisco's newly appointed district attorney announced her plans to appeal that decision from inside the small Pork Chop House restaurant in Chinatown.
Several San Francisco Chinatown businesses say they were targeted for ADA lawsuits and claim they were essentially shaken down, presented with the option of fighting a lawsuit or paying a settlement to make it go away. The LA and San Francisco DAs sued, and that suit was dismissed. But now San Francisco District Attorney Brooke Jenkins announced she is appealing.
We're seeking both injunctive relief to make sure that these fraudulent lawsuits don't continue, but also seeking restitution for businesses that paid out to settle the cases.
She says she's looking forward to a full hearing in the Court of Appeals. President of the Gonco Association, Larry Yee, was sued by a man who never came to his restaurant through the law firm Potter Handy of San Diego.
He stated on the record that he never traveled out of LA.
Case got dismissed. He thinks someone just drove by his restaurant and decided to sue. Other small businesses don't feel as empowered to pay the settlement. He plans to file a complaint with the state bar. In San Francisco, Margie Schaefer, KCBS.
Disturbing findings out yesterday from an Oakland-based nonprofit energy research group. A measurement of gas samples taken from homes across California finds leaks of the cancer-causing chemical benzene from gas stoves. As KCBS reporter Holly Kwan tells us, even researchers say our exposure could be drastically underestimated.
The study looked at what may be leaking from gas stoves that aren't being used. It didn't look at what you could be exposed to while you're cooking or from other gas appliances like fireplaces. Oakland-based PSE Healthy Energy took samples from homes covered by PG&E, SoCal Gas, and San Diego Gas and Electric, and found benzene in 99% of the samples and in levels above what the state says is safe. Drew McKenowitz is PSE senior scientist.
bring in fresh air into a space. You know, we take about 20,000 breaths per day. If you're spending a lot of time inside, you know, you're breathing in that same air over and over again. So I think our study really shows that, you know, the sources of air pollution in our homes really do matter. And so we really have to be conscientious about